Hello friends, let's make spicy Maida biscuit. I'm taking 1 cup of Maida flour, salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Mix everything well using spoon. Now I'm going to add water little at a time and form a dough. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to split this dough into 2 parts. I am going to roll into a thin sheet like chapati. If you're rolling your dough on the countertop, you can just use the whole dough. Now I'm going to cut this into small diamonds and deep fry them in hot oil. If you want different flavor, you can add green chili paste instead of chili powder in your dough as well. Now your spicy biscuits are ready. Thank you for watching.